welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been putting out any videos, and for that I apologize. I've been massively busy working on this truck. Got family going on, got work going on, and I haven't been putting out anything, and I apologize. I've been trying to put out some shorts of the new bikes that are coming out, but to be honest, a lot of the dealerships don't have that many bikes to begin with. They hardly got anything at all. So I've been putting out whatever little short I can, and I haven't been making full-length videos because I've been working on the other channel and putting out videos for the other channel, and a whole lot of stuff going on, so I apologize. Now, if you're interested in DIY projects, like off-road trucking, 4x4s, any of that stuff, feel free to subscribe to the other channel. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen I went into some of the problems I've had with this truck since I bought it. So to recap, and to keep it short, the truck broke down on me in less than a week of owning it. It took me and 3 other mechanics 2 months to figure out what went wrong. Now keep in mind, this is my first Nissan, so I've never encountered this issue before. So then I figured out the truck needed an entire exhaust system, which I went ahead and changed out. The truck also needs a full suspension change, which I'm working on at the time of making this video. But still, I need to set up the truck for overlanding despite all the previous problems. So lots of work ahead, guys, which means also a lot of small videos to come for the new channel. So stay tuned for that. If that's something you are into, off-roading and stuff, camping, overlanding, that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to the other channel. I will do my best to try to drop a video hopefully before the new year, but no promises. Sorry, I'm trying to drive and hold the camera at the same time. The camera's pretty damn heavy. Look, there it is. See, pretty goddamn heavy. So Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year, and I hope everybody's doing fantastic, and I'll see you in the next one. So keep your eyes on the swivel, guys. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. Be safe out here, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace. Pushing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go. I first started talking about overlanding a couple of months ago, and overlanding with this Nissan Pathfinder. I thought it might be difficult, but apparently it wasn't going to be difficult. I got my friends to freaking buy a truck to go overlanding with me. It just goes to show you don't need a brand new truck to go overlanding, man. You just need to pick some shit up and let's freaking do it. Holy shit.
You with your fancy Pathfinder here.
To ride in a one-horse open